this video, we're going to talk about how do you make money on TikTok by this new program called Creativity Program Beta. It's a brand new program. You can get paid for simply posting TikTok videos. That's it. Very simple videos. It looks like on this account, I've made 190 bucks. It's a brand new, this account got into the program recently, not very long ago, but looks like here, check this out. Just one video. If I look at just one video made over $157 from one simple video. So we're going to talk about this Creativity Program Beta from TikTok. What is it? How do you join? How do you make money? And what are the RPMs and tracking everything? Before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video so more people can see this. All right, so what is this Creativity Program Beta? I'm gonna click here and show you some of the rules about the program. Basically, you get paid for posting videos on TikTok, but your videos needs to be over 1 minute. Don't forget that, over 1 minute. How do you apply? You are gonna just see it's an application. You will see an application like it says here, but you'll see an application in your app, and then you'll click apply. Basically, application is you just attach your bank account and they accept you pretty quickly. Some of the eligibility criteria, you gotta be 18 and over and in the eligible countries. And then here is the very important one. You gotta have at least 10,000 authentic followers. So don't go and just start buying followers. You gotta have authentic 10,000 followers, 18 eligible country. Another one is you gotta have 100,000 authentic views in 30 days. So those are the requirements. And then you gotta attach your digital payment account where you wanna receive payment. Those other ones are like really basic ones. So you can get payments, but the main ones are 18 and over, eligible country, 10,000 followers, and also 100,000 views. Those are the basic. And then you'll see a pop-up. Let me go back here. And the old fund, creator fund, used to be something like this. So where you can see, here's how much money I made, 4,000. You could see everything here. But when I got invited to the Creativity Beta, I saw a pop-up at the bottom. I clicked, applied, and I was in just few minutes. So let's go back and talk about how that's how you join, how you become eligible. Now, how do you make money? You make money by simply posting TikToks that are over 1 minute. So if you go look at my accounts, a lot of my recent videos are over 1 minute long. If it's under 1 minute, it does not count towards the Creativity Program Beta. So if you want to make money, guess what? Number one, make longer videos. So I'll show you the video that has made the most amount of money. This video right here, 807,000 views. Or if your iPhone is running, let me turn off the volume, and then we're gonna look at the analytics of this. So I'll click here, and now we know this video 807,000 views right here, and it has made $157. So you can see the video views. Here are different words in the comments. Here's the engagement graph. Most of the traffic came from For You page. That's the other thing. You are only gonna get paid for traffic that's coming from For You page. So to maximize your income from Creativity Program Beta, make longer videos. That's number one. Number two, I don't think I used any music on this. But do experiment. So for this one, I reused original sound. And by the way, this is interesting. On TikTok, I'm seeing using original sound is actually getting me more views, at least right now. Who knows when they're gonna change the algorithm, maybe soon or very in future. But for now, using the original. Here's another one. I don't think I have any music on this too. So this also had a lot of views, 57,000 views. So longer videos, no music is getting more views on this TikTok account. By the way, stay till the end because I want to show you. You can also, here, you can post TikTok and make money. Did you know you can also post just Instagram Reels and make money on Instagram? I'll show you in that video. So watch till the end. Make sure you capture that too, because you can make money on TikTok by posting videos and then copy paste, download these, post on Instagram, and also make money. So there are multiple ways of making money. That's what I do. Post one video on different platforms, make a lot of money. Now, once you are in the program, how do you access all the data? So you're gonna click on three dots here and then Creator Tools, and then this is, you're gonna see Creativity Program Beta. This used to be called Creator Fund. Now it's called Creativity Program Beta. So let's click here. Now here are all the numbers that you need to know. So last 30 days, $67. All time is $190. But you can see I got into the program very recently, just a couple of before it was all zero, because I was not in this program. Here is the most important thing. Estimated rewards $67, qualified views 66K. So we'll talk about the difference in a second, but the most important metric you want to pay attention to is the RPM. RPM is the revenue per mil right here. So for 1,000 views we get paid $1. That's a lot of money. On YouTube Short, that's like cents. On Instagram, that's also not even close to $1. So even though this account is not optimized for views and to make a lot of money from Creativity Program Beta, but if you do create content regularly, consistently, and you use good hooks and your content gets a lot of views, guess what? You can get paid a lot, because the RPMs are really good. It's better than what I've seen on Instagram and YouTube. Now, let me click on this eye icon and explain some of these terms, because these are really important. Make sure you understand these. So estimated rewards, what's a qualified views? So rewards are available to videos with at least 1,000 unique views. So if your video does not have 1,000 views, it's not going to count towards this program. Watch time is at least 5 seconds. So someone has to watch your video for at least 5 seconds. So this means your hook, your beginning of the video needs to be extremely important. Views with dislikes are not considered. Multiple views from same account is only counted as one. So don't call your mom or sister or your girlfriend and ask them to watch your videos multiple times. It's not gonna work. If you have ads, paid promotions, that's not gonna work. And then only views from For You page are considered. So that's the last point. So it's important to understand these, because this means I got to make money from Creativity Program Beta. I got to make longer videos, more than 1 minute. I got to have good hooks so people can watch at least 5 seconds, and then I got to get at least 1,000 views, and then I'll make money. RPM is revenue per mil, the amount of rewards creator can receive for every 1,000 views. And like I said, from what I've seen, this is much better than Instagram and YouTube Short. So right now, if you create short form videos, TikTok is probably the best platform. And then underneath, you can see at the bottom of this dashboard, you can see the money you've made. So if you click on customize list, right now it's sorted by rewards, the highest reward. You can also sort by date posted and also qualified videos. Hit confirm. And now you'll be able to see I sorted by the highest paid. So this video made $157, then $16, then $5, $2, and then just cents. And like I said, this account is not really, I'm not making videos to maximize my earnings per views. This is a business account, so we have other ways of monetizing. Now, I also want to do a small comparison with the Creator Fund. Creativity Program Beta is the new way to make money on TikTok. The old way was Creator Fund. If you go inside that, you can see we used to get paid only, look at this, look at these numbers, like 10 cents, 11 cents, 19 cents. Even if we got like millions and thousands of views, we were getting paid just few cents. So by looking at this, you can clearly tell the Creativity Program Beta, even though it's for longer videos, it pays much better. You get paid a lot more money by being in this Creativity Program Beta. So if you have an option, make sure you join the Creativity Program Beta. Now, any questions, let me know before you go like and share this video. And like I said, I'll go watch this video that's on the screen right now, because I want to show you how you can make money on Instagram. Also, we'll talk about Facebook monetization. By just posting simple videos, Reels, and TikTok, you can make a ton of money. So I'll see you in that video. Bye for now.